Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Creative Minds. Today, we are diving into Canva's Magic Write, a powerful tool for effortless content creation. Join me as we navigate throughout the basics and unlock the magic of Canva's writing assistance for stunning designs and engaging content. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So for today's video guys, we are going to talk about the Canva Magic Write. So this Canva Magic Write is basically an extension that comes with Canva, and as you can see, this is an article that explains everything, how it works and how you can use it for yourself. So the first thing is Magic Write Online AI Text Generator. Looking for some words of inspiration to kickstart your creative process? Magic Write, powered by OpenAI, is your very own AI text generator. To help you get out a first draft fast, simply start with a prompt and watch as copy, blog outline, lists, bio captions, content ideas, brainstorms, and more appear in seconds. This is how it works. First of all, you just go ahead and you drag a text field. After that, you write there a prompt and the magic should start. As you can see, Magic Write and 5 tips, and it should write it for you, and it gives also the vibe of your design and content. For example, if the text was in a specific font, it will keep it with the same font. If the titles were in a specific color, it will keep the same color, and so go on. Now, for Magic Write, it is not a free tool. You should know that. It comes only with the premium version of Canva. So for the plans and pricing guys, you should really go here and check for the actual plan that they have. Now for free, you can design anything, as you can see. For anyone to design anything on their own with family, friends or others, no experience required. For pro, for individuals wanting unlimited access to premium content and design tools. For teams, for collaborating teams of all sizes, and then there is the enterprise. You could go with pro, which will give you of course the access to the Canva Magic Write, as you can see right here. It is included within the features. Or in case you were a student, you could get the plan right here and get the education tool, and it will give you the same things as for the actual plan, like the normal pro plan. So for me right now, what I'm gonna do is basically to go ahead and create a design, as you can see, and let's make it a document. As you can see right here, I have opened this document. Now once I did that, what I'm gonna do is to click on this plus button. Again guys, this plus button wouldn't be available for you unless you have the premium version. So by clicking right here and searching for magic, let me just find it real quick, or let's search for example for write. Let me just find it real quick. Here we go, photos, projects, heading. I mean, we could count it first. Yeah, first we should decide what it's gonna be. For example, it could be a text, it could be a chart, so it can literally make it a chart for us. So we can make it an example as a heading. You could choose it to be anything that you might think of. And in case you didn't have the apps added, you should search for the apps right here. So your apps, you should discover all different kind of apps. So for example, there is Magic Media, Magic Stuff. So let me just search for Magic Write first. Let me just search for it, Magic Media. Let me add it as well, because we might need Magic Media as well. So here we have Magic Media. Let's search for the actual Magic Write real quick. But yeah guys, this is exactly how you can use it. So also guys, as more benefits for you, as some extra informations, you can save time with fast and easy content generation. Now you might ask me which one is better, using this tool or basically going for ChatGPT. What I will suggest actually for you is, in case you had enough money to buy, then 100% go for this one, because ChatGPT is gonna be take a little bit of time for you to generate. Sometimes it will be limited, so you can't really go always and ask it for answers. Sometimes it will be bugged, but in here you will simply just write whatever you want and you will get the answer right straight away. Also, it will keep the design of your text, so you don't have to actually redesign and restructure each word that the actual text has been given or delivered to you to be matching your own pre-made design or template that you are working on. Also, guys, if you were going to keep switching between tabs, going back in further to ChatGPT and Canvas, well, that's gonna be taking a bit of time of yours. So you'd rather have everything stuck up in one place than going from place to another. Now, how to use it exactly? Create or open an existing design, select the Canva assisted button in the bottom right hand corner of the page. So this is exactly what you should do. So let's open a new design and let's make it a whiteboard, and select the Canva assistant button on the bottom right hand corner of the page. So it should be somewhere in here. Here we go. And as you can see here, you should simply search for magic and you will find everything that might be in magic stuff. So magic media, magic morph, magic. So you will find everything that has anything to do with magic stuff. And here you can also type to open the Canva Assistant shortcut in Canva Doc, select plus icon. So then enter the describe the text you want to generate, for example 5 tips, and the more detail you provide, the better. If you need to add keywords, make sure to add them to your sentence. Once you're happy, hit enter, magically your text will appear. Finally, proofread and edit the text to suit your needs. Once you're ready, finalize and share your design. So this is exactly how it works. Here Magic Write is available across the visual suite in Canva. Try with Canva Doc or sign up here. So you can go here and basically just write anything you think of. So add magic here, slash magic, and yeah, it's gonna be working for you simply just like so. Slow slash whatever you want and search for the magic that you want to add. And Canva is not limited to only magic writing. It has a lot of magic stuff that you can add, from photos to anything that you might think of. As you can see here, there's magic photos, there's magic multimedia. For example, here I can write anything and it's gonna give me a photo. So for example, a cat walking in a roof at night, and it's gonna be basically generate a whole picture of a cat walking on a roof at night. So this could take some time, but by the end it's gonna give you exactly what you were looking for. So this is the picture and this is what they have given to us, which is pretty cute, pretty cool. It has some errors, but for an AI that has been just realized and released like a few years ago, so it's still learning and getting better. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.